Hey everybody, it's Jim over here at Travel Camp Orange Park. I wanted to introduce you to the new 2020 Wolf Pup Limited 16 bunkhouse. It's got a single propane tank, battery, manual tongue jack, storage in the front, manual levers. This thing has an outdoor kitchen or outdoor refrigerator. Bluetooth speakers, place to mount your TV. It's cable ready. HDMI outlet, electric awning with the LED light strip run through across the bottom. Nice solid motorized steps. Got the lease latch here on the back. Cargo rack on the back. Big storage unit under the bunks. .30 amp power hookup. The outdoor shower, fresh and city water connections, your electric water heater. Let's take a look inside. Got your dinette area here. Queen size bed as soon as you walk in on the right. Overhead storage. Two bunk beds. Bathroom, separate door. Got your residential upgraded countertop. Your tongue and groove plywood flooring. It's got the power awning outside. The safety slam friction hinge door on the entrance. It's real wood on the cabinets. You got the high-rise faucet. And you got USB charging ports all throughout the trailer. Deep sink, 2-burner stove, and a microwave oven. Nice big refrigerator and freezer up top. Here's a look at the bathroom. Toilet with a stand-up shower with a built-in sink. Come check us out. Travel Camp Orange Park. Ask for Jim.